Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip. This is a channel for you. So Kaizini Uvuyokazi, as we all know, she went to Turkey to do a surgery weight loss, the one that was done by Umamlambo from Uzan. Ugel naye, she also went to Turkey Kesana to get her body, like virtual life, new year, what. So she did that surgery, wayehla ugel emzimbeni, like, she was looking so snatched. Ne? So she is currently now in another country to do another surgery. Okay, she has done the surgery already. She shared her results on social media. She looked skinnier. Okay, not skinny, but she has lost weight compared to the time she did the first surgery. So this is her second one. She has lost weight. She has flat stomach. Even the hips, like ayehlile, like. So people now on social media have started commenting on her body, asking her, girl, what did you do? Because after the first surgery, you looked great. You looked so stunning. Or maybe you should have done something to the stomach area. But Manja, when you went on and did a whole, like, people are complaining, people even are asking in the comment section, girl, up my hips. What did you do to your hips? Because we don't see your hips anymore, Manja. Girl, what is happening? But there are people also who are supporting her, saying that she looks snatched. She must just ignore people, ignore the bad comments and stuff. Guys, I don't know. You guys can judge for yourself by looking at these pictures. What do you think? Because I do have an opinion, but I don't want to say it here on a public platform. You guys will come for me in the comment section. And also, it's not my place to say anything. If Yana, she is happy about her new body, then who are we to judge? But people are really not happy. Fans are not happy. People are coming for her. I like that she is ignoring all the negative comments and just focusing on her new body. We wish her all the best and also speedy recovery to her. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.